This is Seda. Welcome to Tasty Creation Crochet. Today I'm trying this pattern. It's look like a cat. Let's see how to do this. To begin with, make a knot, make chains, basic chains, 5 multiples. Here I need 40 chains. 1, 2, 3 chains. These 3 chains is considered as a double crochet. Skip 3 on the 4th chain, make 1 double crochet. Double crochet on the next chain. 1, 2, 3 chains, 3 double crochets. Sorry. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 5th chain. Skip all these 4 chains, and on the 5th chain make 1 double crochet. Another double crochet on the same chain. Chain 1, and again make 1 double crochet on the same chain. 5th chain. Again skip 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and on the 5th chain make 2 double crochet. Chain 1, go to the last one, skip, make 3 last 3 chains. Go number 2, make 3 chains, double crochet on the next stitch, 1 more double crochet on the next stitch. On this chain space, make 1 double crochet. Same chain space, chain 1. Again make 2 double crochet on next chain. Same chain 1 space. Now move on to the next. Skip all these and move on to this chain 1 space and make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1, again 1 double crochet, another double crochet on the same chain 1 space. Continue this. 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet on the chain 1 space. Go number 1 and go number 2 is the same. Start the work. Here you can see the space between the 2 double crochet and the single double crochet here. Now I am going to make extended double crochet. Right? Just pull the yarn a little more and make a double crochet. Now I am not going to complete it. Again pull it off and make 2 double crochet. Extended double crochet and pull through all 3. Now this chain 1 space, make another double crochet. 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1, and again 2 double crochet on the same chain 1 space. Now in between the stitches, extended double crochet. Just insert it to the previous row. Pull the yarn a little longer and make a stitch. Now 3 on my loop. Pull through all 3. Now again 2 double crochet on the next chain 1 space. chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Continue this. It's look like cat's paw and the ears. Extended stitch. Last 3 stitches with double crochet. 1, 2, 3. On the third stitch, halfway through, I'm going to change the color. Double crochet on the next stitch. Now, can you see this chain 1 space here? There, I am going to make a double crochet. 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Again, move on to the next chain 1 space and make 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Continue this. Make 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet on the chain 1 space. The last 3 double crochets. Complete row number 4. Now again, row number 5, chain 3 and make another double crochet on the next stitch, another double crochet on the next stitch. Move on to the next chain 1 space. Double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet on the next same chain 1 space. Continue these 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet on the same chain 1 space. Now, the last set of stitches, make 3 double crochet on the next 3 stitches. The last stitch, make half double crochet and change the color. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn the work and make 1 double crochet, another double crochet on the next stitch, and same as row number 3, make an extended double crochet. Double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet on the next chain 1 space, and make another double crochet, extended double crochet on the gap between. Repeat row number 2, 3 and 4 and complete the work. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your feedback. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.